out this morning? I heard that I did. Well, I know you glad you done worked out. Yeah. That'd be alright if y'all didn't make a pound, as long as y'all made some water and sent it down my way. About what time? Oh, okay, well, that'd be good. As long as y'all got me some water down there to work with tomorrow, that 410. Yeah, it'd be alright. I never did hear anything back from Roadrunner last night, so I guess he got everything going like he's supposed to. When I talked to him last, it was sounding real good. Yeah, he said he was gonna bring you that other one there, that amp, that way you could match it up for him. You on your bass there? Yeah, that condition changed a little bit. If you can put some fire in it, put a little bit more fire in it.
What about that?
Yeah, come on up in that end. Yeah, that brought you on about the hole when you done that. That Cobra 29 and that one pill. Hey, he said he was gonna try and bring it out that we can get it matched up, that way we can have him spare. What time that rain's supposed to get here today? Okay, that'd be good. Then I need to get my old Tahoe cleaned up and got one or two other things I need to try and get done there today, so that'll be fine. Yeah, Timbo. Yeah, I go there a little later on and pick my cousin up this morning. Let him go ahead and make him some Kool-Aid money there, and while he's doing that, I go there and take care of that other little project I gotta do. That's right. Go on get him some Kool-Aid money. Yeah, I talked with him there yesterday. He said he was he was setting up that thing about me because he had to run out of Kool-Aid, so I got him lined up for this morning. Yeah, sure. That ain't gonna last him. That ain't gonna last him but maybe about a partial day. It won't even last him a whole day. He's not gonna do it. I don't care what you give him. He's not gonna do it. I bet you can get that joker $1,000, then before the week over with, it'll be gone. Cause he can't sit there and drink that Kool-Aid by himself. He got to have some help. He good fella, and just as friendly as he wanna be. Give his shirt off his back, but he just don't know when to stop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he only gonna drink that water when he ain't got nothing left to drink there, and he thirsty, you know. Go to getting that cotton mouth and around, but anyway, yeah, like I said, he good fella. He give you the shirt off his back, but he just don't know when to quit giving away. You know, some people say, well, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop right there, but he's not gonna stop until it's all gone. Hell, I got a picture of that last night. It must have been, shuck. It was before 10 o'clock. A little old doe come in there in the patch.
Oh, okay. Good deal.
I was over there at that 4 acres. I hadn't got any pictures back in behind the house yet. I figured I would have been getting some pictures of some coons or something other back there. Got some foxes back there. I figured they'd have been stirring around. I'd have got some pictures of them. Yeah, Timbo. We usually don't get no deer coming back in behind the house into that river get up and it'll go to pushing deer and hogs and everything coming down through here then, you know, be back in all up in the field, stirring around trying to see what they can get a hold of. Yeah, I'm sitting here listening at it. I don't know either, but I'm hearing it though. It's coming up on my end too. At least one thing, it ain't not as bad as it once was. One time I had probably about, man, I was getting around sometime anywhere from a 7 to a 9 air signal on a noise level. That one time we were having problems down here. Yeah, that's the way it's doing on here on my end.
You gotta get on back there and get on your coloring book.
Your cousin took me off my coloring book for 2 days, anyhow.
No, he can't be doing that.
He said, he told the boss man if he, while he was there, I wasn't gonna have time to be sitting up in there in that classroom with that coloring book. Yeah, he said he was gonna find me something to do. He got me out of that darn classroom. I had to put down them crayons. You know what that joker told me? He said, you sitting up in there wasting your time fooling with that dad and said you could be out here teaching me something. He said they give you 90 days, you just gonna sit right there and just milk them right on down. Just milk every day of that 90 days. I said, well, they give them to me. I took that old darn Husqvarna back there in the back of the field that other day, back out there in that wood line. I was cutting some stuff down with it. I don't know, it's probably about 5, 6 feet tall back there, you know, just that old, I don't know what you call these old weeds. They grew up real tall and straight. Yeah, I took my lawnmower back there and cleaned it up. It was too wet to take my tractor back there. You'd have seen what I was cutting with that lawnmower. You said, ain't no way you'd have put your lawnmower in that mess. When I got through with it, I tell you what, you talking about something pretty? It was sure enough fine looking back there. I get time to today. I'm gonna ride back there and I'm gonna take some before pictures of what it looked like around it, and then take some pictures of where I cut. And the only reason I went on and done it because the old lawnmower blades on that thing and it need changing. I think I've been had this lawnmower now 3 summers. And it's time me to put a new set of blades. That's the original set of blades that come on it. I hear somebody out there hollering, calling a neighbor.
It's just kid like them, but. Oh, that thing be talking. That thing be talking, real running. Damn, boy, I ain't bring it back to you. I don't know what's wrong with it. Still don't the same thing. I might have said to you, probably been a whole new radio, what? Damn.
Hey, get on up that road runner while you up there twisting and turning on them knobs.
Yeah, just been back out here. He came back up. You coming?
Yeah, I copy you, road runner. You need to let me get in there with my magic screwdriver.
Yeah, folks. I jump right here about this, but you turn the center here. That might be where it comes from when you turn the center. That might be wrong. Jump right there.
I got a little old screwdriver down here. you need to let me twist and turn on it a little bit.
That might be messed up rough,
You gonna learn?
I've been doing that. Who's up the clock on it? About a couple days. I do the same thing. I want to hear it. I want to talk out no more.
Hey, Brent, you heard what he said about me, didn't you?
Yeah, I heard that. What do you think he is, Bird Dog? What is that? What makes my radio keep on doing this? No one with it. Oh, no. Well, you quit twisting. Like you most see, you got to quit twisting on them knobs. Twist on them knobs too much. I just cut on the cameras and all, down the one I touch and on and off and all.
You need to bring it down here and let me doggone operate it for a while. See if I can't work the kinks out of it.
Alright, folks. Hey, no, you gonna put in your bench?
I'll put it on my bench.
Tell the thing about that new radio.
Hey, when I put it on my bench, all I'm doing is just gonna squeeze the mic on it, though. I ain't gonna do nothing else to it. Just squeeze that mic.
You know what's going on with me. And I don't see you no more we talk so long.
It's either gonna talk or it's gonna go in the junk pile.
Yeah, bro. You gonna take an egg roll and put in another radio?
Yeah, y'all better do that.
Yeah, baby.
That's an aftermarket or echo board in. Yeah, as long as there ain't nothing wrong with the echo board, you can all better do that. That shouldn't be no problem. What happened to my cousin stuff up there? Who wind up with it?
I don't know. I try to have this man see, you know how those folks down there. Got me,
Yeah, 10-4.
Alright, then he can deal up for
Yeah. Boy, I used to make that joker hot by that old antenna. I don't know, he might be done got off out there. Truck driver looking for what now? They looking for a Road King 56.
Yeah, microphone, all phone.
Oh, okay.
Microphone. Yeah, somebody look for a microphone, Road King 56. Yeah, bro. Hey, Mo, you still got that, Noah new radio?
Do I still have what?
You got Noah new radio?
Oh yeah, I still got it. Sound like it's getting worse.
Yeah, I know it. It's getting bad up here for some reason.
Yeah, it's doing the same thing over here on my end. It's getting worse. Road runner, you hear that in the extra noise coming in on your end?
Well, I come in a little bit. It might be a paraphone, like sometimes be a paraphone and keep going there sometimes.
Yeah, conditions starting to get worse there with that noise.
Come in now. And I got my cut all the way up. Cut the inside though.
Yeah, Jambo. You talking about that truck driver on that Road King 56 microphone? I used to run one of them, and I just don't like the way them things perform myself. You know, to each his own, but I just don't like them. They muffle out too much. Do that again?
You know what kind of radio you got on there? What makes you do this?
Yeah, I guess.
You got one?
I had one.
I got no more.
I probably still got it, probably down here in that drawer, along with a bunch of other microphones.
Yeah, so.
This is a Road King 56, but it's an old mic. It ain't got no chrome or nothing like that on it. And I think I got that microphone when I was buying some radios and stuff one time. Yeah, I can hear somebody in the distance now. Yeah, I had to go back to work there tomorrow where I can doggone get me some rest. I'm about to work myself down right here. Yeah, you gotta get it matched up first. I see when they got on eBay that they letting people bid on, but it don't have a variable on it. Just one of them 3-button jobs. It better have a variable on it. I would have done already bidded on that, right? Yeah, I was trying to buy one off a fella, but he won't budge. Yeah, he was set up a 2-pill, but it didn't have a 1. I was gonna get that one there and just put it in my arsenal so it'll match up with all my other stuff in here. You know what I'm talking about?
That's right.
You been pricing into those blinds lately?
What's that?
I said, have you noticed the price of those blinds lately? Those hunting blinds?
What kind of blinds?
Those hunting blinds, them shooting houses. That's one of them camouflage saw blinds you talking about, right? Yeah, I'm talking about them doggone plastic or fiberglass ones.
Oh yeah, they outrageous. TNT. Right. About that 990, right?
Come on.
Oh yeah, folks. Hey, Bird Dog, you want to buy the radio for another radio?
Say that Bird Dog, do he want to buy a radio for another radio?
Yeah, kid.
What kind of radio you trying to sell?
This one right here. Just to keep my mess up, I know jump to him, give me some help.
Hey, Bird Dog, you hear what he said?
He might do it for me. I've been out of truck hour. Yeah, I don't do it one more time. So I think I'll do it one more time. Act up again. I don't hear it.
Man, mess up one more time, you gonna say the hell with it.
No, I don't say hear it. I gotta spend the money on it.
You ain't spend no money on it but one time.
That was fun, right? Yeah. Go ahead and get your Max 729 and bring that Max down. Here's wrong, nigga. I put my hand on the center first and stuff that working. And stuff I get back to the center.
You said you put your hand on where now in the center of it?
Now right there where you turn the center line. I already 1, 2, 3, how it is. 40. I got some knob around here and come back up.
You got a knob on that was at 1, 2, 3?
I got about where you turn the center in.
Oh, okay.
It may be just about 50 center. That might be what the problem is. Just about 50 center. I get you ready to take the shot. I'm trying to get you one of those radios down there. People up. Shot me over.
Yeah, I heard you said something about taking one to the shop.
Come and get one of yours. I'll take one of yours for a ride.
Yeah, I got a couple of them out there in that shed that I'll let you talk on. Matter of fact, I got a couple of them in that shed. I'll let you tune them up. Well, they're not working, so I'm going to let you get in there with that magic screwdriver you got, and you can just play with them all you want to. No, ain't no echo in it. They don't even work. That's the reason I'm going to let you have them, where you can get in there and play with them. You can get in there and do whatever you want to them with them. Whenever you get tired of playing with them, just go ahead and throw them down the road. What were you saying something to me, Roadrunner? I don't know, you still in that bird out? Yeah, Roadrunner was trying to see if you was off tomorrow. He was saying he was talking about bringing that 29 over there tomorrow if you was gonna be off. You copy what he said, Roadrunner? You gonna do what? And you gonna get you a big radio?
I want that 59 big radio.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he can do that.
I'm going to do about 300 somewhat.
Yeah, you better get you a bigger, probably a bigger amp then.
Yeah, bro.
That 1PL ain't gonna produce that.
Maybe I'll do about 2 months, right? Maybe about 2 months right with that amp, right? What's the radio?
Nah, maybe 150 watts. No, Doke, I'll be standing by. Yeah, they are. I don't know if them truck drivers going back to work this morning or not. It may be tomorrow before they go back. You take these companies around, they taking the day for the holiday since it fell on the weekend. So them trucking companies may be doing the same thing.